Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to find out how we can highlight duplicate values in Excel and record a macro, which will save us a lot of time as macros are meant to do repetitive tasks for you. And lastly, we will create a button to run this macro, which will again save us precious time. So let's get started. We will highlight duplicate values while recording our macro, so for this you need to go to View tab, click Macros and then Record Macro. Now you can name your macro as duplicate or whatever you want. Assign a shortcut key to your macro, press OK button. Now Excel is ready to capture your moves. Whatever you do, Excel will record it. Select column B to highlight duplicate value of it. Go to Home tab, select Conditional Formatting. Highlight Cell Rules and then Duplicate Values. Just click OK and you are done. All duplicate cells are highlighted in column B. Now go to View tab and then Macros and stop Excel to record any other moves. If you want to see what codes the Excel has recorded, just click Macros and then View Macros. Another window will pop up. You need to locate yours and click Edit button. There you go. Now you can edit your code here in VBA Editor. Lastly, let us make a button for our new macro. For this you need to go to the Developer tab, click Insert, and then Button. After clicking, arrow will change into plus sign. Now create your button anywhere you want. A window will automatically pop up, which will ask you to choose your macro. Now button is in edit mode. Here you can name your button, and you can also resize it. Now button is ready to perform your macro. Let me reset rules for column B. Let us check how our button works. Problem with this button is, its look old and we cannot add any style to it. Let us add another button. Just go to Insert, Shapes, and choose any rectangle you want. Advantage for this type of button is that you can add lot of style and looks to your button, and you can also change the color of text or button. You have a variety of options to choose from. Shadows can be added to this button and much more. Now, for assigning a macro to this button, right-click on button and choose Assign Macro. Choose your macro, and click OK.
Hit that subscribe button. And thanks a ton for watching. I'll see you around.